Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So for today, I'm gonna Hi guys, welcome to Zuko Vlogs. So for today, we're gonna unbox this package that I ordered online on Facebook. Okay, so here it is. Check this out. Medyo mabigat. There. So it arrived today around 1 p.m. I think. So 4 days siya, 4 days since I ordered it. Okay, see you later. Bye. So bubuksan natin siya. Okay, ito yung package. Hold on. So we're gonna rip this off. Naka-bubble wrap siya. So we're just gonna remove all the packing tape.
Meanwhile,
or yung bubble wrap. So what is inside are the 4 items. Actually, it's only 2 items. However, the 2 items are free or included on the set or on the sale price. Okay, so here's the free. Ito yung free. When you order the 2 items, there is a free webcam. Okay, this is a 1080 pixels webcam. Okay, it's good for vlogging and of course song recording. And then I also have here the Sony extra bass MDR XB450AP. Yeah, this is the Sony headphone. Okay, I'm not sure if this is original, but I think it is not kasi mura lang. Usually yung mga price nito yung original na ganitong headset is around 2,500, 2,600, 2,700 ganun. So pero okay na rin kasi it's good also. I needed it for recording. Okay, and of course here's the anticipated product that I ordered. Okay, it is the Singing Live sound card or the V8 sound card. Okay, so as you can see there, and later I open natin. Tabi ko muna. Then we have here of course the microphone there. So I ordered the microphone. Okay, says here the legendary live broadcast microphone. So Singing Live sound card here plus the microphone. I decided to take an order na since I'm fond of doing song covers, right? And of course I needed the V8 sound card, of course, para mas maganda yung effects or yung lumalabas na audio during my recording, right? So included yung ito yung USB type cable there. So I have 3 here. First one, second one, and the third one. So yung purpose nitong sound card or mixer is sound mixer is of course para mas maganda yung echo, yung pagka-condense ng recording, ng audio recording, and so on. Okay. Anyway, this is original. Okay, then. So, yun lang naman yung laman ng soundcard. So, buksan na natin yung microphone. Okay, so there it is. Balik-balik pagkabukas ko. Okay. So, ito. As you can see, ito yung nilalagay doon sa front ng microphone. Okay? Para ma-reduce yung noise. Then, I have here the manual. Also, I have the mic here. There, it's the mic. It's the microphone. Tapos, ito yung nilalagay sa yung microphone. I don't know what this is called. Anyway, first, ito yung nilalagay mo dito sa table. Para hindi siya gumalaw. So, i-clip mo siya sa table. Kasi adjust mo lang itong parang screw type na para ma-lock siya, para hindi gumalaw. Then, of course, I have here the cord for the mic and then the stand. Okay, so the stand, tapos nandito yung Zuko microphone, I think. So, all in all, ayan, okay naman. So, yan po lahat yun. Okay, yung order ko. Okay. So, tabi muna natin to. And soundcard. Tapos dito tayo sa webcam. Okay, let me open this. Okay, it's model Z05. Ito yung webcam manual. So, ito yung camera, yung camera. There. Yeah. So, habang nagre-record ka, ilalagay mo lang yun doon sa may stand kasama ng microphone. Okay, so, since this is 1080, mas malinaw yung camera. So, kailangan natin mag-upgrade para mas maganda yung visuals na makukuha natin or yung output. Or so, tabi muna natin yung webcam. Tapos nandito naman tayo sa yan, yung extra bass. Actually, I ordered this before. Ganito siya. So, hindi nga siya original. Anyway, it's okay. Kasi meron pa naman akong headset. Okay, I have here my original headset. Medyo worn out na siya, pero that's original. Ang ganda pa rin yung sound, yung bass. So, ayan. So, eto lahat yun. Yung order ko is yung extra bass na microphone. I mean, ito yung case. Extra bass headset. Sorry, not microphone, headset. And I have here the webcam. Here. Webcam. Then, I have here the soundcard. And then, of course, the audio recording microphone. I have it all there. Okay.
땡가비에 길어지네로 이만큼 짙게 내린 어른다 밑인 모려 이제
I'll be there for you. Okay, thank you again, guys, for watching my vlog. So expect better quality song covers this time because I already have these amazing recording tools. Okay, so I'm gonna sing you a song. It's even better than the ones before. Okay. Sorry, man. There. Joke lang. That's it for today. Thank you again for watching. Hope you like my review and unboxing of this package that I got. Okay, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.